Welcome to ISL-enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Reaction of metallic oxide with acids. In this activity, we will explore the reaction of metallic oxide with an acid. For this experiment, we need a stirrer, a spatula, dilute hydrochloric acid, copper oxide, a dish, and an empty beaker. First, using a spatula, take a small amount of copper oxide and then put it in a beaker. After that, gradually pour dilute hydrochloric acid into the beaker and use a stirrer to gently mix it until the copper oxide is entirely dissolved. Now, after the reaction, observe the color change in the solution. Before the reaction, copper oxide is black. Now, the acid starts to react with the copper oxide, and during the reaction, you will notice the solution slowly turning from black to a blue-green color. This is due to the formation of copper chloride, which imparts a blue-green tint to the solution. Now explore what the chemical reaction is occurring here. Copper oxide is a basic oxide, which means it can react with acids to neutralize them. In this case, copper oxide reacts with the hydrochloric acid added to the solution, and the hydrochloric acid dissociates into hydrogen ion and chloride ion. And the reaction follows. HCl gives rise to H plus Cl minus, and the copper oxide dissociate to form CEO gives rise to Cu2 plus O2 minus, and then the oxide ions, which is O2 minus, forms copper oxide, react with hydrogen ion to form water, and the equation is O2 minus plus 2H plus gives rise to H2O. The copper ions combine with the chloride ions to form copper chloride. Copper 2 plus 2Cl minus gives rise to CuCl2, which is copper chloride, and the overall reaction is CuO plus 2HCl gives rise to CuCl2 plus H2O. And the reason behind the color change, the copper chloride formed in the solution is blue-green in color. This is due to the copper ions interacting with the chloride ions, forming a soluble salt that gives the solution its distinctive color. The final solution is a blue-green color, indicating the presence of copper chloride, and the reaction is complete. This experiment demonstrates the behavior of a basic oxide reacting with an acid to produce a soluble salt and water.